Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So basically in today's video we are going to create our first Java program. So before creating, make sure that you have JDK and IDE installed on your system. So once open your IDE, you can find the file option here on the top left and then new, and then you can go for creating your project. So I'll name my project as my first Java project and hit create. So you can see that my project file has been created. Now for this project file you have to create a class file. So on the left side you can find the menu bar, click on the source, right click on the source, you'll find the new option and then hit Java class. Now this class name should be that of same as your file name, so which is my first Java project. Now you can see a template has appeared on your screen. So now create you can see here class my first Java project. So basically in Java everything is considered under the classes. So just give a public static void main, which is the entry point to your program, that is the main method, and pass the argument, that is string args. In Java you'll be having a method that is system.out.println, which prints out the data on the console. So I'll pass something like my name is Sam and a semicolon. Now right click on the screen, you'll find the option that is run my first Java project. Click on it, you can see that your program is getting compiled and run, and now whatever is written here in the system.out.println method gets printed on your console, which is my name is Sam. So you can pass any other parameters in the sout method. So that's it for today's video. If you like my video, hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.